Gotta love Rochester. Really? Ba-dum-stree-in, ba-dum-stree-in, ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. You get the song. Red light, run! Back up a shame. Back up a shame. The guy next to you should have backed up a shame as well. Although, granted, it's about to turn green, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. Oh well, you're going to go in the video anyways, because it sucks to be you. Shit, you can go. What are you doing? Just sit. Yeah, now you're backing up a shaming because you're a moron. Seriously. You can go now. Really? What the hell are you doing, dude?
Stop bringing me on the fucking place, get from Upstate. Right?
Red light, run.
Pandemic taught us how. A contagious airborne disease means that I have a personal stake in the health of my neighbor.
Hey, you got honked at.
If she's sick, I may get sick also. Her health care is good for my
I've never
health.
seen a license plate like that either.
Fan of both Star Talk and Cool World. I love watching both shows on YouTube.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
The ultimate uncertainty of the larger universe.
Really?
Blindly
Really?
from his position on this
Step
world.
aligned.
He showed us that men must do this always. Many's the night I've spent alone in the desert, and the Fremen are right about that place. In the desert, especially at night, you encounter the
Red light,
dangers of
run.
hard
Red light,
thinking.
run. Red light, run.
Special instructions. Idaho glanced at the watchful guard mounted to the pilot's position in the thopter. He leaned out.
Yeah,
said,
nice cutoff.
"Well, Aliyah, I'll send the thopter back immediately on to water fatness." Aliyah saw him as though he had been split into two images. One
No,
with a
stop.
serious Digo
Fancy Nissan driver.
expression.
Oh wait, no, that's an Acura. Never mind. I got my symbols mixed up.
Barley on the counter on your way out.
Yeah, exactly. And then, yeah, that's
Like
on the
we
nightstand.
ever. Nice cutoff.
And then,
Pronged disinformation attack, which we know came from China, came from Russia, and came from people
You didn't
in
stop.
our own country who were grifting and selling and profiteering.
I don't like it. I don't think it's a woman. I just think it's just...
Nice cutoff.
They, you know, to some...
may refer to a plant, a bitter-tasting dark green plant. If that's the case, Revelation might
Red
be
light,
attempting to
run.
say that
Red light,
irritable
run.
waters on planet
Red
Earth
light, run.
and with all of his might, with all of his strength, was smashing this jawbone against 1,000 bodies multiple times until each guy
Go
was
now.
dead. And the jawbone didn't...
It has to be like airports. Because I know it's probably
No, stop.
sunny as hell, 70 degrees warm. I don't know what, but it seemed like
That Mayor Giuliani's administration would be willing to forfeit one of New York's public channels where you drop your lawsuit against the city. Okay, but we'd still want launch fees and
Red
$10
light,
per
run.
subscriber.
Oh, well, there you go. All right, well, for Eli's season with Ethan, Tom, thank you for hanging out with us today. We'll be back next week. By then, Tom will be an expert on something else. Between now and then, you can hear from us.
Nice cutoff up there.
This isn't recording the podcast actively in.
No, that's not. So my number one as well is pro football. It nowadays.
Nice cutoff.
It's still nowadays, and it was just like they were just that.
shit.
Everyone in Pittsburgh was like, oh, he lives down the street. Oh, his nipple lives down here.
Well, I did slow down for you to let you over.
Yeah, well, it's
Yeah, it came out of nowhere.
Anyway,
Shit.
I remember Jack paid for that. Yeah, probably. And they would go. That's funny they say that. I didn't put that together all these years back. But
It's a dive by that big red truck.
My buddies was Spartan back then, so I'd go to some. I love Magic. I love Magic. I think Magic's the greatest basketball player ever. Even over Jordan. I know that gets argued.
Whoa, what the hell happened there?
Back to Magic playing center for maybe the greatest player of all.
Someone pissed someone off. It happened behind me. I have no camera back there, so I don't know what happened, but someone's pissed. Gotta love Rochester.
A cigarette too close to the court, Marbury would go over and tell them to put it out. And they would put it out.
Hey, whoa, jeez, what? Really? Too close.
Major injuries, accidents, and even death. I guess I just want to ask you, how far is too far? Even if
Nice cut off.
Thanks for the last. Go far. And then if they have a problem, just say, listen, man, it's, you know, you want to film people coming in and out of your house. I don't want people to feel like they're being filmed coming in and out of mine. All right? And if they escalate it, just say, hey, man, it's none of your business who comes in and out.
Oh, he died for a right turn up there.
Grab by the lapels and you say,
what an idiot.
It's good for you. An expression of, maybe you just want to numb yourself because there's so many huge, crazy fucking issues going on. I don't know what it is. But anyway,
what the fuck? What the fuck? What is
there's
that?
Nothing you can do about it, but you could maybe
really
and have fun with it.
Right? Really? 2 right turn regrets at once. It's not an easy. It's not a hard thing to screw up. I don't know.
And I was like, how fucking great is that? And it's just like there's so much energy in that room.
Stop. They both go left.
Vibe, just a totally different vibe. Dude, I like.
Seriously.
Look, I don't want to pretend like Lil Jon. It is still a banger, and it's still played at places, and it's still played in a way as a hype song, right? It's still played as a hype song. And what I love about it is that they were like, if we're gonna hype, let's do this. Let's fucking rock this. It's not fucking.
But those dual turn light failed too.
It's just a totally different feel.
Dollars not being paid.
Yeah, it's a lot of money.
Over years and years, you know? Like, this is a lot of
Red
money.
light run.
And these fuckers just living the life.
How telling is that? Like, I would love
right materials, if you have the right ingredients. It's all true. It's just a question of what you're allowed to
red light run
access if you know the right words. Doing the same kind of thing. We're invoking the divine presence, divine agency.
Really? What the hell are you doing? Toyo turd.
So there are, and I wrote.
Nice cut off. Well, time for the left turn lane.
And this other piece of information, just spoon feed you guys this information so I can blah blah. And then that lady doesn't like it. She goes, yeah, spoon.
Wait, that was turning left from the right lane. Really?
Hospitals, and so they end up getting suckered in by these little coffee
what the hell are you doing
down in freaking Tijuana. They go down and spend
seriously
tens of thousands of dollars for those treatments, and those places will often say, oh, we've got a major success rate.
Oh, what? I don't know if that was a cut off or not, but it was in front of a cop too.
Madness. I don't follow it nearly as much as I used to, but
No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trailers in the left lane. No, you can't be there if this is Connecticut. But I'm making this up because I needed editing for this video, so you're it. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time in the next video. Okay, bye.